Welcome to the show, everyone. You're watching Crypto Corner, episode 361, and today I'm talking about smart contracts, NFTs, and DeFi. So inevitably, Ethereum holds the top position in this sector, especially considering number of transactions and applications and amounts transacted on its platform. But it also holds the top position in the highest fees and confirmation time for its transactions, which is a problem, as you know. But still, it is the leading all-purpose blockchain, but there is significantly more demand for Ethereum's utility than its blockchain can handle right now. This is why, since last year, we saw many competitors thrive and gain a lot of traction in a short space of time. So today, we're talking about one of these competitors in this new segment I'm calling Ethereum Killers. Let's get started. Alright, so we're talking about Avalanche. It's often compared to Ethereum as both have smart contract capabilities. Smart contracts, or collections of code that carry out a set of instructions on the blockchain, are crucial in running decentralized finance, or DeFi for short, and also non-fungible tokens, NFTs. However, Avalanche aims to conduct faster transactions with lower fees than Ethereum. Currently, it can process over 4,500 transactions per second, while Ethereum can support roughly 13 transactions per second. Currently, Ethereum operates on a proof-of-work model where miners are actually competing to solve complex algorithmic puzzles in order to validate transactions. However, we expect that Ethereum will become more scalable, secure, and sustainable after its 2.0 upgrade, when it will shift to a proof-of-stake model as well. But that's not due until at least 2022. So in the meantime, we see a plethora of smart chain networks that are racing to take a lead. Launched just over a year ago in 2020, Avalanche is a rival not only to Ethereum, but at the same time also to Solana, Cardano, and a few other smart contract platforms, many of which have grown tremendously over the past year. This is mainly due to the DeFi and the NFT sector's massive expansion into various industries, and with the increased demand, there is more room for competition. Most blockchains that try to compete with Ethereum aim to make their platforms much faster and cheaper. The fees of Ethereum transactions have become extremely high, but it seems that didn't hinder its place at the top smart contracts platform. Avalanche, on the other hand, is already working on a proof-of-stake protocol. They have long claimed to be the fastest smart contracts platform among blockchain networks in terms of time to finality. This is the process by which a transaction becomes irreversible. It also has the most validators, securing its activity of any proof-of-stake protocol. This is according to Avalanche, the main team building the Avalanche ecosystem. It enables the creation of fast, low-cost, Solidity-compatible dApps, and Solidity is the Ethereum coding language, so being compatible is important for interoperability. Developers can launch Ethereum dApps that confirm transactions instantly and process thousands of transactions per second, far beyond what the Ethereum blockchain can handle right now. Also, there are a lot of stakers of Avalanche tokens, and having a lot of stakers means that a big chunk of the available supply is locked up and out of circulations, creating more scarcity. But also, staking their AVAX token allows users to process transactions and further secure the platform, providing security guarantees well above the 51% standard. The platform also facilitates building of subnets. Subnets are powerful, reliable, and secure private or public blockchains built as offshoots to the core Avalanche platform, and the developers of these custom blockchains have complete control over the design, with the only requirement being to participate in securing the core platform. This is according to John Wu, president of Avalanche. They recently launched a $200 million fund which will be used to expand the DeFi ecosystem of Avalanche. Last week was also a very strong one for the AVAX token, the native token of Avalanche. It hit an all-time high on Sunday, briefly making it one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market value. Right now, it is ranked number 11 by market cap, and it is up almost 70% in the last 30 days, and it's more than 3,600% since the beginning of this year. But as you know, I often remove Tether and other stablecoins from the crypto rankings, as these are not really decentralized true cryptocurrencies. So in this respect, AVAX has been in the top 10 cryptos for some time now, at least in my view. However, if we talk about the possible risks, this is a very new platform still. This can be good as it can see a lot of more growth, but there's also potential for failure. Just like with other cryptocurrencies, the potential for large price swings should be considered and understood before investing. But most of all, it is very risky to bet on one blockchain versus the rest. Identifying winners in disruptive technologies early on is actually very difficult. It takes at least 5 years for a project to firmly cement its place in the top 10, and even then it can easily drop into obscurity. With altcoins, we see a lot of dependency on trends. With every new trend, there's a period of hype and FOMO when everyone starts rushing into a buying frenzy, something that we're observing with AVAX right now. Then, as the hype subsides, the tokens become less appealing and desirable, and consequently, their market value drops, thus making them even less appealing to new investors. Then some of the holders can start replacing them with other coins, so the chances of a market ranking downfall are real. I'm not saying this has to happen to AVAX, but I can think of quite a few projects that used to be in the top 10 by market cap 5 years ago that are long forgotten and are not even in the top 50 anymore. On top of my head, we have Dash, we have NEM, we have IOTA or Zcash. All of these, Stratis even, it used to be in the number 8 by market cap. It's not even in the top 200 anymore. So this of course is just an example of what is possible. Again, I'm not saying that Avalanche will go into obscurity, but as trends come and go, most definitely we will be talking about very different coins in 5 years' time. I guarantee you that the top 10 will look very different. So with that said, be wise about your long-term holdings. Don't sleep on a coin and hold it just because it was performing well in 2021. This year is almost over and there will be new projects that will make the headlines in 2022. I personally can't wait to find out who they are. Let's do this together. Make sure that you catch my upcoming episodes where I will continue to bring you market news and analysis and present to you new projects that are just starting to bring even more innovation in this space. This episode is sponsored by Token Metrics, one of my top tools for market analysis and for finding little known altcoins before they blow up. You can get 10% discount when you sign up with the link in the description below, and you can give it a test run for a week before you commit to a long-term plan. They publish detailed analysis on their website, Telegram groups, and via emails directly to your inbox, plus weekly webinars for all members where they go deeper in the technical analysis of the most profitable coins.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams.
Alright, well, this wraps up today's episode of Crypto Corner, everyone. Thanks for staying until the end. I hope this brings you value, and if it did, please share it with someone else who will benefit from watching this. Also, show your support by leaving a like and a comment below. This will help the algorithms pick up this video so it can reach more people. Also, make sure that you check out the links in the description below where I list all of my top crypto services, exchanges, wallets, my top charting tools for market analysis, and my 2 ebooks, Learn Crypto, the ultimate beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrencies, where I share with you everything I've learned in my 6 years in this industry, including the many mistakes that I've made, so you can avoid repeating those. And Crypto Jargon A to Z. This is a complete crypto dictionary with over 1,000 terms, acronyms, and trading slang that you should know. It's an Amazon bestseller and it's now in its 3rd edition and at a very low price as well. If you want to be on my mailing list and receive my bi-weekly crypto newsletter where I share with you market insights, the link is also in the description below. Trade carefully and stay profitable.